hope you very well get understood about kinetic energy and how we have traced the formula for it. So whenever now in need of finding the kinetic energy, you can use that formula. Okay, so here we are having the potential energy now. That is the energy stored in the body because of its position, change in shape is called potential energy. As I have told you the example of arrow and bow also, that we are stretching the thread of the bow and that regained its shape. Okay, like it has been changed, the shape of the bow, and now it is occupying its original shape, and for that it is throwing this arrow in forward direction with a speed. Okay, so anything get changed, any substance get changed because of the position of it, like something is at the lower part, like on the ground level, and now you are uplifting it and putting it on the first floor of your house. So from there, will it be possible when it was at the ground? So will it be possible that it is thrown to the ground again? Not possible, because there was no potential energy. But if you have taken it to the first floor, now when you are throwing it from there, it get thrown and get to the ground now. Okay, then we can say that at the height it has having the potential, and that potential now gets substituted to the kinetic, and then it is in motion and then it strikes to the ground again. Okay, so that is the part of potential energy, students, and here is the formula for potential energy. Potential energy, again, the work done against the gravity. You know that if something is taken to the height, then the height part is against gravity. Right now, we have thought about this in the part of gravitation chapter also. Right, so that thing, that is the surface. Even we are on the surface, still the core part of the earth get us pulled inside. But now if something is some height again, so that height part is get added, and now it is again pulled by the earth towards its core part, but now with a great pressure, great more pressure, because it is at certain height. Okay, so here the work done in moving against gravity is what? It is potential energy. So don't get confused with the thing that the work done is like the pot is throwing from the height to the ground. That is not potential. Potential is taking the pot from the ground to the height. Okay, from the ground, if we are taking it to the height, then we are doing certain work, and that work is against the gravity. That is the minus m. Okay, minus g. Okay, and g value is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. So negative of it is against the gravity. So we are doing work against the gravity, and here when we put it, that work done is get converted into the stored energy, that is known as potential energy. Okay, so how we trace the formula of it is here, like potential energy, again the force multiplied by distance. As I have told you, work done is equals to force multiplied by distance, and work done is equals to energy. So we can substitute directly it to it. Okay, so potential energy is equals to force multiplied by distance, and force, you know, mass multiplied by acceleration multiplied by height here, because the distance traveled is in the form of height. So A, what is A here? Is G. Okay, so potential energy is equals to mgh. So we can say that whenever we are need to find the potential energy of any object that is kept at certain height, or the shape of it get changed, we can find it with the formula of mgh. But the shape changing formula can be happen by this, can be find out with this formula, because the shape is not here, like what you going to write. But whenever you are need to find with the height factor, so h is the here, so you can put the height m is the part here, so you can put the m, mass of an object, and g is the gravity part. So just for changing of the height, that is the position, you can use this formula to find out the potential energy.